Hey everybody, Rudy here with Caesar. I got such good news for you guys. I'm so excited to show you guys this brand new product that we have just launched and also our brand new relationship with our good friends at Sawgrass. We have teamed up to create the perfect solution for you guys in regard to the sublimation world. We have a product now that I think is going to change the game forever. This product is going to not only allow you to print on colored polyester garments, but also cotton garments. So any colored cotton garments will work with this product. This product I'm talking about is called EasySubli. Stay tuned, we're going to show you how this product works. So the EasySubli product is something that we believe is going to change the game forever. If you're already in the sublimation world or wanting to get into the sublimation world, we promise you it is going to make your life so much easier. Now, the big advantages of the product. First, no more limitations when it comes to our garments. We no longer have to only work with white polyesters. We can now work with color polyesters, cotton, polyester blends. We can also work with dark cottons. I mean, it is a game changer, guys. This product will make your life so much easier. Another huge benefit of this product, low application temperature and low application time. All right, we no longer have to apply this at 200 degrees. With just 150 degrees, this product can be applied with beautiful, vibrant colors. Right? That's very important because sublimation, the beauty of sublimation is the vibrancy of the colors. All right, we have engineered this product here at the Caesar headquarters to be a beautiful product that is easy to work with and will make your life so much easier, guys. So let's go ahead and show you guys how this material works and why it's going to be a game changer forever, okay? Let's go ahead and show you guys what we're gonna be working with here today. As you guys can see, I have my station. We have our Sawgrass printer. We have our cameo, our silhouette cameo. And believe it or not, guys, believe it or not, we're going to show you guys today how to apply this with a home iron. All right? Yes, a home iron, guys. This is going to be incredible. All right? Stay tuned. We're going to show you the full process here, and you guys are going to be absolutely wowed. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so as previously mentioned, we are working with Sawgrass directly, who have now created a special ink specifically for us that will work with our EasySubli products. All right, and it will also work with your transfer paper, excuse me. Now, the advantage of that is that we can print directly onto this material. So again, these are special inks that we're working with that are created by Sawgrass for us here at Caesar to work with our EasySubli material. All right, that's a huge advantage. Typically, you would have to use a transfer paper to then transfer the design onto your garment. In this case, we're printing directly onto this material. That allows us to be able to work with 150 degrees at 15 seconds. All right, so that's a huge game changer when it comes to the application process of this type of solution. All right, so let's go here and show you guys exactly how this is going to work. So I have our stack of A4 sheets here of the EasySubli. We're going to go ahead and open up our printer. We're using the SG400. It's also compatible with the 800 as well. Now we're going to go ahead and put our material inside our tray here with the shiny side up. All right, shiny side up. That's very important. Now we're going to go ahead and close down our tray. Let's close down our ink cartridge holder here. And let's go ahead and send our design over to print and see the process in full, okay? Let's go over to our computer and get this thing started. All right, so now that we have our design created, we have our outline created to be able to cut the design, and we have the registrations mark created, we're ready to print. Let's go ahead and hit print on our program here. All right, guys, look at that. Excellent. All right. Now, you guys can see right now that the colors are very dull. All right. That is just part of sublimation. You will guys see once we apply some heat to it, you'll see those vibrant colors really pop. All right. That is what makes sublimation so beautiful and so different. All right. So let's go ahead and put this on our mat, and let's go to our computer here and show you exactly how we're going to go ahead and send this to our cutter. Okay. All right. So you want to make sure that the little box right here on the top left-hand corner is going on the top left-hand corner of your mat. So you guys can see the arrow there. Now you know that's going forward, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and apply this right to the edge of the line. Make sure it's not overlapping that line. Otherwise, our machine is not going to recognize those registration marks, and we're going to get some error messages along the way. So now that we have this set up, let's go ahead and bring it over to our cameo. As you guys can see here, I'm going to go ahead and place the mat right in front of the white line there. So again, this registration process has to be perfect in order for our optic eye to recognize those registration marks. I'm going to go ahead and hit load on our machine and leave it as is, okay? Now let's go to the computer and send this design over to cut so we can go ahead and read and apply it. Alright, so what you're seeing here is the actual machine recognizing those registration marks and getting it ready for cutting. So look at that, looks good. Perfect. Alright, so now we're ready to cut. All right, look how quick and easy that was, guys. So let's hit unload right here on our machine. It's gonna unload our mat, and now we're ready for the weeding. All right, so let's go ahead and just grab our edge right here. Now with our weeder, makes this process so much easier, and you guys can see how nice that came out. Now, I want you guys to focus in here. Remember in the actual setup process, we created that internal offset or internal contour. That was to avoid any kind of ghosting or any kind of white line on the outer perimeter of the design, all right? So that gives us a little bit of room for error when we're cutting the design so you don't see a white line on the outer edge of our design. All right, look at that, guys. So here's our transfer. Now, if you guys are familiar with the print and cut process, we have to first transfer this design onto a special transfer material. Now in this case, this is called TTD special mask, which is going to be what we're going to use to lift up this design and apply it to our garment. Now here's the thing, guys, this is a pretty solid design. It's a one piece, so I can technically just lift this up with hands and apply it to the garment. Now if I have multiple pieces or letters, I recommend using the TTD special mask. All right, in this case, let's go ahead and make our lives a little bit easier and just peel our design here. You can see I even cut a little bit too deep into it, but that's okay. There we go. So you guys can see how nice that comes off. All right, so now this is ready to apply. Let's go ahead and get our garment. We have our iron here ready to go. We're right in between our linen and cotton, so perfect setting for applying this type of material. So let's go ahead and show you guys exactly what or how this is gonna work. So just like if we were using a heat press, we're gonna go ahead and preheat the garment here just for a few seconds. That's gonna get rid of the humidity, the moisture, and the wrinkles. Let's go ahead and place our design right there in the center of our garment. Now I like to use the collar of the garment there to place it perfectly in the center. There we go. Now because this is going to actually activate those inks in there, those sublimation inks, we're gonna go ahead and use some cover sheets to protect the design and our iron. All right, now watch how cool this is gonna be, guys. Now this is not something you can do typically with sublimation, because we have created a design that's completely innovative and different than your typical sublimation. We can apply it with a home iron. Okay, so let's go here and let's go ahead and apply this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some pressure on this straight on my design. Are you guys ready for this? Watch this. Look how incredible that looks. So you guys see those vibrant colors. Those colors is what makes sublimation, and what will make this product a complete game changer. All right? So look at this, guys. Look at those colors. Look at those pinks, the reds, the yellows, the green. Look at that blue. That is absolutely gorgeous, guys. And this is exactly what I mean by this is going to be a game changer. We are no longer limited. We can really get that creativity out there and use as many different types of garments as we want. All right, guys, so what do you guys think? Absolutely incredible, game changer. Absolutely gonna make your life so much easier when working with this type of product. All right, again, that is a heat transfer vinyl material that we have created here at Caesar. We worked with our Sawgrass printer, our Caesar inks, our Silhouette Cameo, and of course a home iron. Can you believe that? In 2019, we're pressing sublimation with a home iron. Now that's a game changer, guys. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact us either by phone or email. We'll be happy to help you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.